In the southern Chinese tech city, Shenzhen, your next takeout lunch could be delivered by drone. More and more companies are using the low-flying robots to help with last-mile delivery services, with food orders being especially convenient.
I work in a nearby office building. When I first heard about the drone delivery service, I didn't know where the kiosk was and how to pick up the deliveries. Then my colleague explained everything to me. It's really convenient.
Couriers collect the orders from the restaurants and drop them off at a launch pad. They're processed, boxed, and attached to a drone that delivers it to a kiosk, usually on the top of an office building. Chinese shopping platform Meituan, one of the first companies to launch drone food deliveries, said the idea isn't to replace delivery people, but to make their work more efficient.
In fact, we are upgrading, not substituting the traditional delivery process. Compared with the traditional way of delivering food, we can basically cut delivery time by half.
Drones are also being used to transport medical supplies and other packages in cities where civil unmanned airspace has been opened for commercial use.